Hey children, in our last session we just warmed up. आपको मैंने revision questions दिए थे. I hope all of you have tried them. Okay, they were really simple. We had the first question, it was based on your expanded form concept. Second was on your ascending and descending order. In the third one we did successor and predecessor. Fourth one was based on your Roman numerals, and the last one was based on making greatest and smallest numbers from a given set of numbers. Children, here one thing I want you to see carefully. You have done this thing before also, but still फिर से ध्यान दीजिएगा यहाँ पे. When I told you to form greatest and smallest number, I told you कि पहले आप 4 gaps ले लीजिए, and then for greatest write in descending order, and for smallest write in ascending order. But here children, you have to see one thing very carefully. If these numbers contain 0, okay, then writing a number in the greatest form will remain same. Okay, but in smallest form there's a little bit of change. Let's see how. So I'm taking this example, question number 5 children. We'll begin as we do in all sort of questions. Take 4 gaps, 1, 2, 3 and 4. In the first gap, what do we write children? We are making the greatest number, okay. So what do we write in the first gap? The greatest number. We'll move in descending order. Here greatest is 7. Then the number just smaller than that is 2. Then 1, then 0. Okay, very bad handwriting, right? Okay, so this way we made our greatest number, which was 7210, 7210. But here children, when we are making smallest number, you need to pay very attention here. Okay, be very careful. Same as that, I'm making 4 gaps. Now here children, we move in ascending order. So we'll begin with the smallest number. We should begin with the smallest number. Here the smallest number is 0. So if we go in the custom manner, we'll say 0, 1, 2, 7. But see here children, now this has become 3-digit number, 1, 2, 7, because 0 in the starting makes no sense, right? So then it's wrong. We cannot do it this way. आपको समझ में आ रहा है? 0 को अगर हमने स्टार्टिंग में रखा तो वो सेंसलेस हो गया. 0 का बिगनिंग में कोई मतलब नहीं है, तो हमारा नंबर बन गया 127, जो बिल्कुल गलत है. लेकिन हमें चारों को यूज़ करना है और चारों को ऐसे यूज़ करना है कि उसका सेंस भी बने. तो हम क्या करेंगे, अगर ऐसे में 0 हो तो जब हम स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर बनाएंगे, whenever we make smallest number, keep this in your mind, 0 will occupy second place. Okay, it's fixed. 0 की second place fixed है. अब ascending order में fill कर दीजिए, 1, 2, 7. So this is your smallest number. Okay, clear? Very easy. Now let's begin. ये तो भाई छोटे छोटे बच्चों वाली बात थी. अब हम लोग 6 में आ गए हैं, बड़े हो गए हैं. We'll play with bigger numbers. Okay, let's start. So our first topic is how to generate numbers. What is generating children? It means how to make numbers. So we'll study how to make numbers. Children, what happens? For example, you know 1. First 1 was introduced, right? अभी मुझे पता करना है कि 1 के बाद क्या होगा, तो I'll simply add 1 to it. So 1 plus 1 becomes 2. अब मुझे पता करना है 2 के बाद क्या आएगा, तो अब मैं क्या करूँगी, 2 में फिर 1 ऐड करूँ दूँगी. Then it becomes 3. This way we generate numbers by adding 1 to the previous number. Okay, so for today's session we'll keep this thing in mind. This very special thing I told you in making greatest and smallest number, though you have learned it in the previous session, in the previous class, but still you need to keep this in mind. And the second thing is we generate numbers by adding 1 to the previous number. Okay, for example, 100 plus 1 is 101. If we have to keep on increasing, keep on generating, then 101 plus 1, 102. Similarly, 1000 plus 1 is 1001. Then again when we add 1, it's 1002. Then 10,000 plus 1 is 10,001. Similarly, when we increase one more zero, it becomes a lakh. So 1 lakh plus 1 is 1 lakh 1. Then again we'll add 1. Okay? So this way we generate numbers. We'll continue this in the next session.